Today, Decent Machinery came to beautiful Thailand to visit one of our long-term customers. They have been using our industrial dust collectors for 6 years, and the equipment is still running well and performing stably. Let's go to the project site together.
Hello everyone, this is Annie from Decent Machinery. We are dust collector manufacturer in north of China. Right now, I'm in a cement factory located in Bangkok, Thailand. This company bought our dust collector already 6 years. You can see the dust collector. It's running very well, and we do some maintenance service here. And now, this factory want to upgrade their production line, and we are checking the project site and give a solution for our customer. Yes, thank you.
Okay, hello. Our company produces a lot of products, including cement, fertilizer, and all the different products that you can see here. Actually, we bought a dust collector solution from your company for several years ago, and it works very well up until now. And today, we would like to thank you for your team to come and visit us, and we can work together for our expansion of the dust collector in our factory. Thank you.